Hello! Welcome to our coffee shop.
Hi. This is my first time here.
No problem. Take your time and relax.
Thank you. The place feels very cozy.
I'm glad you like it. What would you like today?
What do you recommend?
Our latte is very popular and smooth.
Oh, that sounds nice. Is it sweet?
It's not too sweet, but we can adjust it.
Great! I'd like a small latte, please.
Sure. Would you like hot or iced?
Hot, please. It's a bit cold today.
Of course, I'll make it extra hot for you. Good choice. Anything else for you?
Yes. Do you have any cakes?
Yes, we have chocolate and cheesecake.
I'll take one chocolate cake.
Perfect. That will be $5.
Here you go. Thank you.
You're welcome. Please wait a moment.
Sure. I'm not in a hurry.
Are you a student or working nearby?
I'm a student. I come here to study.
That's great. Coffee helps you focus.
Yes, it really does.
Here's your latte and cake.
Wow, it looks delicious.
Enjoy your drink and have a nice day.
Thank you so much. See you next time.
See you. Have a wonderful day.
I definitely will. Thanks again.